How to remove professional account on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to remove your professional account on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. And once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna see this pop up on your face. If I come to my profile icon here, you can see that I have a professional account. As you can see, the professional dashboard. So what I need to do from here is, if I want to switch to a personal or private account, I have to tap the three lines option first. Then just scroll down to this option over here known as business tools and controls. Otherwise you can see all this information, but you can go to this option here, business tools and controls. From here scroll down and tap on switch account type, and then just tap on switch to personal account. Once you tap on switch to personal account, you can tap on the switch to personal account option, and once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and basically switch your account to a personal account on Instagram. This way you'll be able to switch to personal account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.